What if your backyard could feed your family without constant watering, fertilizing, or weeding? That's the magic of a sustainable food forest. In this video, we're diving into how you can transform your backyard into a thriving, edible ecosystem. If you're ready to grow more with less effort, hit subscribe and let's get started. So, what exactly is a food forest? It's a term you might have heard floating around, but let's break it down and paint a clear picture. We're talking about a revolutionary approach to gardening, one that mimics the natural world to create a sustainable and abundant source of food. Imagine a woodland, but instead of just trees and undergrowth, it's overflowing with edible plants. A vibrant tapestry of flavors and textures all interwoven. Think of it as nature's pantry, right in your backyard. We're talking about fruit and nut trees, providing a canopy of deliciousness and sustenance. These form the backbone of your food forest, offering long-term yields and shade for the layers below. Then come the berry bushes, bursting with juicy sweetness, perfect for jams, pies, or just a quick snack straight from the source. And don't forget the vines, climbing gracefully, offering grapes, beans, or other climbing edibles that add vertical interest and productivity. Herbs, both culinary and medicinal, and veggies, a diverse array of greens, roots, and fruits, all contributing to the overall health and vitality of the system. All these elements working together like a natural ecosystem, supporting each other, sharing resources, and creating a thriving, interconnected web of life. Unlike traditional gardens, which often rely on monoculture and intensive labor, food forests mimic nature's layers, from the tallest trees to the ground-hugging plants, creating a self-sustaining system that requires less maintenance and provides a more consistent yield over time. It's a system where plants support each other through companion planting, and pests are kept in check naturally, thanks to a balanced ecosystem that encourages beneficial insects and other natural predators. This means less work for you, less weeding, less watering, and less need for harmful chemicals, ultimately leading to a more resilient, abundant garden that can withstand environmental challenges and provide a consistent source of food. Food forests aren't just practical. They're beautiful, edible landscapes that transform your yard into a haven for both people and wildlife. They provide for your family year after year, offering a sustainable and delicious source of food for generations to come. Ready to ditch the old gardening rulebook and embrace a more natural, sustainable approach? Let's grow smarter, not harder, and create a food forest that nourishes both our bodies and our souls. A food forest is a self-sustaining ecosystem designed to mimic a natural woodland, but with a focus on edible plants. It's a beautiful and productive way to grow food, and one of the key principles is understanding its layered structure. Let's break down the 7 layers of a food forest, exploring each one in detail. At the top, reaching for the sky, is the canopy, the tallest layer of the food forest. This layer is typically composed of tall fruit or nut trees like apples, providing shade and structure for the layers below, or pecans, offering a delicious harvest each year. These trees are the foundation of the food forest. Below the canopy, the understory features smaller trees and shrubs thriving in the dappled sunlight. This layer includes trees such as plums, offering a variety of fruits, or nitrogen fixers like alder, which enrich the soil and support the growth of other plants. It's all about creating a symbiotic relationship. The shrub layer, closer to the ground, is packed with berries, a delightful treat for both humans and wildlife. Think of the abundance: blueberries bursting with flavor, raspberries offering a sweet tang, and currants adding a unique tartness. This layer is a haven for berry lovers. Next, we have the herbaceous layer, a vibrant mix of veggies, herbs, and flowers that attract pollinators, creating a buzzing hub of activity. These plants are often annuals or perennials that die back in the winter, but return with vigor in the spring. Moving closer to the earth, the ground cover layer, think clover, a nitrogen fixer, or strawberries, a delicious treat, suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and prevents soil erosion. Underground, hidden from view, the root layer grows, providing essential nutrients and stability to the soil. This layer is home to potatoes, carrots, and radishes, offering a diverse range of flavors and textures. These root vegetables are a vital source of sustenance. Finally, reaching upwards, we have the vertical layer-climbing vines like grapes, providing shade and fruit, or kiwi, adding an exotic touch. This layer utilizes vertical space, maximizing your space and adding another dimension to your food forest. By understanding and implementing these 7 layers, you can create a thriving and productive food forest that benefits both you and the environment. Before planting, choose species suited to your climate. Don't plant mangoes in Alaska. Know your USDA hardiness zone to pick plants that survive your winters. Study your yard's microclimates, sunny spots, shady corners, and match plants accordingly. Prioritize perennials and native species for a resilient, low-maintenance food forest. Work with nature, not against it, for the best results. It's time to embark on the exciting journey of designing your very own food forest. This is where your vision starts to take shape, transforming your space into a thriving ecosystem of edible plants. Begin by sketching your yard, capturing its unique dimensions and features. Carefully noting the patterns of sunlight throughout the day is crucial. Observe where the sun shines brightest and for how long. Also, identify areas of shade, paying attention to how shadows shift with the changing seasons. Don't forget to map out any existing features like trees, fences, or structures that will influence your design. When planning, consider each plant's mature size. This is vital for long-term success. Be mindful. Don't let big trees crowd out smaller plants, depriving them of essential sunlight and nutrients. Position sun-loving plants, and place shade-tolerant species where they'll thrive, creating a balanced and harmonious ecosystem. Use succession planting. Grow quick crops like lettuce between slower growers to maximize space and yield throughout the growing season. Maximize every inch by layering and interplanting different species together to benefit from their synergistic relationships. Smart planning now means bigger, more abundant harvests later, ensuring a sustainable and rewarding food source for years to come. Healthy soil is the foundation of your food forest. Mimic nature by layering compost and organic mulch. This feeds microbes and retains moisture. Avoid tilling. Keep soil loose for roots and water to penetrate. Mulch with wood chips, straw, or leaves to suppress weeds and build fertility. Let your soil become a living ecosystem that supports your plants. Watering doesn't have to be a chore. Use nature-inspired strategies. Dig swales along slopes to capture rainwater and let it soak in. Install rain gardens to collect runoff and filter pollutants. Mulch deeply to reduce evaporation and keep soil moist. These simple steps save water and keep your food forest thriving. Keep pests in check naturally with companion planting and beneficial insects. Pair plants like basil and tomatoes to repel pests and boost flavor. Attract ladybugs and lacewings by planting diverse flowers. Create insectary borders with native blooms to draw in natural predators. Let nature's allies defend your garden. No chemicals needed. Food forests are low maintenance but not no maintenance. Prune regularly to remove dead wood and shape plants for health and productivity. Refresh mulch to keep soil healthy and moist. Observe your plants for early signs of pests or disease. A little attention goes a long way toward a thriving, self-sustaining garden. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't overplant or crowd your food forest. Give each plant space to grow and breathe. Don't neglect soil health. Invest in compost and mulch from the start. Be willing to experiment and adapt. Nature is full of surprises. Most importantly, have fun and learn as you grow. Even in year 1, you'll see more pollinators, less weeding, and a healthier ecosystem. Your food forest will start producing fresh, organic food and require less maintenance over time. Enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting from your own backyard paradise. That's your blueprint for a self-sustaining food forest. Start small, experiment, and let nature do the heavy lifting. Subscribe, share your progress below, and let's transform our communities one edible garden at a time.